Hey, my financial family. This is your penny stock lady here. So yes, I'm gonna call myself penny stock lady. Just wanted to give you an update and give you more stocks that you can invest in. Some of these stocks they are really like cheap, 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 cheap. So when you see them cheap, like most likely just start with like the way that I test penny stocks is I buy for like 100, maybe $150 to test the stock to see if it's gonna make me any money. So if I see that it like shoot up to like 20%, 30%, 40% and up, then I'm like, okay, yeah, there's a possibility this stock is gonna make me money. But that's the way that I test is penny stock to see if it's gonna make me money. So don't like spend like a few hundred or either a few $1,000s on a penny stocks. Test it first to see if it's gonna make you money. And then if you see that it makes you money, some of them they do make you money. Like you buy them today, and then the next day they start shooting up, which is always a good thing. So you do want to test it first, and then if you see that it start making you money, then yes, you can buy it, cash it out, and then rebuy again when it goes back to red. When you see blood on the street, when it comes to stocks, it's an opportunity for you to buy. There's never a bad thing with stocks. There's always good things. There's always opportunity for you to make money when it's green, and opportunity for you to buy when it's red. When it's red, it's like, yes, buy me more, buy me more, buy me more. Just head to the door and buy more. So like and subscribe. For those of you who are new, let's build this channel because it's new. So we want to make sure that we build it up. Um, and for those of you who has been with me for since it started, I appreciate your support. And for those of you who are new, please subscribe, like, and comment below because you have to let me know that you are making money off of these stocks because some of them you will make more money than others, but you do want to see the best way you want to see if a stock is going to make you money. Yeah, as I mentioned to you, you test it first, you buy $150 or $100 to see if it's going to make you money. If you see that it just sit there not making you money, whenever it shoot up, you just sell it out and then eliminate it. But if you see that it's constantly making you money, like there's certain stock that's like making me money, like DVLT, NUAI, DFL, I and DFLIW. Those stocks are making me money, so I'm constantly buying them. But I invest in the new one because you never know which one that's gonna like keep on pumping cash. So as I mentioned to you, with penny stocks, those are companies that are just starting. So they need money to keep their company moving and moving forward. So you do, whenever you make money, you need to cash out. Don't wait. Don't think you are here to make money. Because some of these companies, they may dissolve at some point, meaning that they will go away if they see that they're not making as much money, that they need to continue with operations, then they will dissolve it from the SEC, which is the security department, where they get their IPO. So the company will be dissolved. You don't want to end up with the stocks where the company dissolve and you can get your money back. So that's why if you see that your stock is making you money, I don't care if it's $10, $20, $30, or even a few $100s or $1,000, cash out. Did I make myself clear? Okay, I'm gonna keep on saying it every time I post something. I'm gonna keep on saying cash out because you do need to cash out. That's your only way of making money. I don't care if it's little money or big money, cash out. Okay, so some of these stocks they are brand new. Some of them you probably already either already make money. all of them. So those are the ones that I'm going to go over with you right now. So as I mentioned to you, you can always use fidelity.com to buy these stocks, because with Fidelity, they don't charge you commissions to buy them. I don't know if you use any other platform, they are charging you. I know one of the platform that I use, they charge you for to buy it, and they charge you when you sell it. So you don't want to buy in that platform. Whenever you see that they're charging you to buy penny stocks, find a company that doesn't charge. Pretty much, I use Fidelity also. So you do want to, if you want to use Fidelity, that's an option. Okay, so the stock that I'm gonna go over is the laser, which is it's like a luminar. Um, what do they call it again? Yeah, the car, like the electrical car, they make light. You know, when you press the button, the green light that's around the start button on your, if you own uh, a, electrical car, or if you own one of those cars, like those, not brand new, but those more updated model cars, they have the light around the car. They are the one that make the light. And then Vivek, I just invested in it last week, and it's really good. It started to make money like the next day. As soon as I bought it, the next day it was like start to shooting up. And then Serve, which I got, um, DWHWS. That's the warrant. So that's the warrant, and then the stock is GWH. So you do want to invest in both. And then CHR, Easy Go, ORIS, and then the PTLE, the IZ, the EPWK, the WTO, the SoFi. SoFi is really good because I'm like, I saw that stocks like before, like when it was like $20, now it's like shooting up to like 30 something dollars. I'm like, oh, okay, that's something to what I'm thinking about. So that's something that's in my list. YGMZ, GSIW, STFS, Ray, or AY. So you do the stocks that are at the bottom more, that those are brand new ones. So those are the ones that I'm gonna start investing in coming up Monday. So that way, I'm gonna see which one that's gonna make me more money. So as soon as they make me money, I will let you know. For those of you who are investing in these things, yeah, those penny stocks, they are very like cheap. Some of them are like 10 cents, 20 cents, 13 cents, 15 cents. So for me, when I buy, I test them first with $100 or $150, and then I do see that as they increase more, then I try to invest and buy more, because these things can shoot up to like um 100%, sometimes 1,000%. So you do want to make sure that when it does shoot up to 100 or 1,000%, you are there with your pile ready to cash out, you know? So I'm gonna leave it there. If you have any questions, comment below, subscribe. Let's pump these things up. Let's build it up, because the channel called Build Up. Let's build it up by you subscribing. Okay? See you in the next one.